We have absolutely loved playing with this climbing set, and I loved it as a mom because its piece is so versatile, and I loved that it kept my little one entertained for so long. You can see that it does have a climbing ladder as well as this half circle. Each of these pieces can be used in multiple ways, so I love the way it was designed, and I love the colors that they chose. That ombre style is just so beautiful, and it crosses both of the different pieces. The wood itself is really high quality, and it's soft, and it's something that is definitely smooth enough for your little one to be playing with over and over again. It also has that board piece that is double-sided, and one side you can use kind of as a climbing wall on there, and it comes with a cushion that you can flip over that half circle and turn it into a swing. My little one has played with this for so long to be able to just play it with herself or with her stuffed animals. It is so much fun to just add that extra little piece of the jungle gym. It's really easy to be able to connect the pieces. They literally just kind of sit on top of each other in these little nooks, and you can use it as the climbing, but you can also flip it over and it turns into a slide. You can even adjust the angle of the slide based off of where you kind of clip it in. And we've been playing with this constantly, moving around to the different rooms of the houses. This is so much fun to play with. That perfect activity for when you can't go outside if it's too hot or too cold. It also comes with this little piece that you can pop over the triangle, turn it into a tent, and it has a cute little window on the side. I have absolutely loved playing with this, especially when you can store it in a nice compact way and take it out when your little one needs a little bit of entertainment. This is so cute and would make a fantastic gift. I would definitely recommend checking this out.